The HERO Act itself actually adds two new sections to the New York labor law, and the two sections are really entirely independent of each other. So, from my perspective, having carefully studied the HERO Act, I think it's fair to say that the sort of public presentation of what this law is somewhat misleading. It is not a COVID-19 legislation. That is to say, it was clearly the result of the COVID-19 pandemic that this legislation was put forth and enacted as it was. But the full impact of the HERO Act has basically nothing to do with COVID-19 other than that being the impetus for getting it passed. As I mentioned before, everything in the HERO Act only applies to private businesses. However, that includes all for profit and not for profit, non governmental um, employers in New York. So if you have one employee and you're not the government, then you are subject to one of the two provisions of the New York labor law that the HERO Act created. You may be subject to the other if you have at least 10 employees in New York.